welcome to the lesson intro video for Unit 7, Lesson 5, Challenges Facing Australia and the Pacific. Here are our objectives, standards, and focus question for this lesson. Rising sea levels. One of the largest threats to this region is rising sea levels. Melting ice from glaciers and massive ice sheets is the main contributor to rising sea levels. This can lead to ruined property and force people out of their homes. 85% of Australians live near the coast. Smaller nations face even more challenges. Nations like Tuvalu could disappear underwater in the next 100 years due to rising sea levels, and smaller islands have already been beginning to disappear. For example, 5 of the Solomon Islands are now underwater. Let's look closer at the threat of rising sea levels to Pacific Islands. Here you can see a chart showing the rise in sea levels from 1996 to 2016. As you can see, over time, the sea levels have steadily been rising. Islands that are at serious risk are the Solomon Islands, New Caledonia, Fiji, and more. Rising warmer water damages coral reefs, which reduces their ability to protect the island from the tides. Higher tides flood homes and streets and erode beaches that attract tourists. Ocean water fouls fresh water supplies and food crops, and people must move to higher ground if available or to another island. Other environmental challenges. Drought is a major issue in Australia and New Zealand. This can cause wildfires that easily catch in the dry season. This threatens farms, homes, and the native plants and animals like koalas. Coral bleaching is another big threat. The Great Barrier Reef is located off the coast of Australia. It is the world's largest group of coral reefs and is home to a large variety of plants and animals. But in recent years, warmer water temperatures, pollution, and sun exposure has caused the corals to become lighter in color and sometimes even die. Here you can see on the left a healthy coral with fish swimming around it. On the right is a coral that has been bleached and has died. Other environmental challenges. Overfishing. Fishing is a main economic activity in the region. When too many fish are taken too quickly, they can become scarce and even endangered. Some Pacific islands have allowed foreign fishers to fish in their territory. American, Chinese, and Japanese companies may not be as careful when they are fishing as the native populations. Because of this, fish populations are decreasing in the South Pacific, and 5 of 8 species of tuna are now facing extinction. Another big issue is mining pollution. Australia mines for coal, iron, gold, uranium, and various minerals. Many of these mines emit toxic chemicals that cause pollution to the water and air. Some reminders. Your unit test is scheduled for after spring break. It is greatly encouraged that you take the test prior to leaving for spring break. And remember to turn in your Unit 7 reading notes via webmail for extra credit.